Best Personal Infrared Sauna. Number 1. Serene Life Personal Infrared Sauna. Portable steam saunas for home use could meet your personal health needs on a daily basis. It would aid in the relief of stress, detoxification, the removal of winter colds, and the alleviation of insomnia. Portable sauna has a revolutionary portable design, as well as a detachable and collapsible frame for easy folding, storage, and travel. For your convenience, a foldable steel wire skeleton and PVC bracket add portability and stability. The portable saunas are heated by a steam generator with a digital display, which allows you to see the current temperature and time of the steam pot in plain sight. Insulation and waterproof fabric can effectively prevent heat loss.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Taret Personal Infrared Sauna. The far infrared sauna is heated by built-in carbon crystal heating panels. There are 3 carbon heating panels. Each heater is precisely placed for even, consistent heating. And the heating plates are fixed to the inner wall, not bound to metal rods, not easy to slip off and very easy to remove. The far infrared sauna is a dry sauna and you only need to carry a towel with you to wipe away sweat when using it. Removable frame, no need any installation tools, easy to store after disassembly. The stainless steel structure is not easy to deform and has a long service life.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. VLiving Personal Infrared Sauna. Pull the portable pop-up sauna tent out of the bag and it will automatically pop into place. The home sauna is super easy to assemble and lightweight to move around. The steam room can be easily packed up and taken with you wherever you go. The steam sauna comes with a steam generator with remote control and foot mat. The personal sauna comes with touchscreen display steam generator. The sauna steamer is 2.6 liters and 1000 watts, can be used for 60 minutes after filling with water. It has 1 to 9 control levels, temperature up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, steams up the entire sauna in 8 minutes. The 304 stainless steel steamer is lined with high temperature and corrosion resistance.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Hias Personal Infrared Sauna. The Hias portable sauna tent comes with the latest steam generator touchscreen infrared display. Our steam pot has a capacity of 2.6 liters in the saunas for home, and it can offer 9 heating levels that can be adjusted between 1 to 90 minutes and can reach a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The 360 degrees omnidirectional steam nozzle fills the entire steam tent with steam in just 8 to 10 minutes. Assembly can be done in just 5 minutes by following the instructions. Stainless steel tubing is far stronger and more durable than plastic, with sweat-absorbing foot pads.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. ZoneMeal Personal Infrared Sauna. 4 liters large capacity steam generator, equipped with 1500 watt high power, faster heating speed, and can be controlled by remote control for time and temperature. The steam pot will automatically turn off the power after the water in the boiler has been boiled dry to ensure your safe use. Save money on beauty salon. Use the steam sauna to detoxify and relax. The heat that radiates from the sauna and soothes achy muscles, helps prevent fatigue, detoxes the system. Home Personal Portable Steam Sauna. This indoor sauna kit comes with everything you need to get your sauna on in the comfort of your own home, including sauna steamer, sauna chair, and easy assemble tent.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.